first time ever racing rally with my dad as my co-driver. This is our worst run ever, which was our slowest, and then our best run of the day, which is at the end. We picked up a lot of speed. You'll see progression from worst to best. If I do ever go rally racing, it'll be the Karma Speed Racing team. So if you guys want to support the team, there's a bunch of us guys working on it. We're giving away a Turbo FRS right now. You can check this out on the screen right here. We have a Memorial Day sale going on, and you can get our new products that we just dropped. So if you like that idea, possibly winning a car, helping us maybe go racing one day alongside the other teammates on Karma Speed, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went to karmaspeed.com, get something, get automatically entered to win. And at the end of this video, there's gonna be a button to click a video with the full story time of how this day came about at Team O'Neill Rally School. Went to their 5-day program. I'll leave a link in the description of their school. Love those guys over there, and the best place to learn rally in the United States. Thanks so much for stopping by. Let's get straight into the race footage.
Go. Start 100, stay left, crest 20, crest into right turn, no cut, opens, very long. Don't give a gas to turn like that. Okay, left 5, crest, first one right here. First one right here, Stay left, okay, turn right up an arm. Crest, left turn, over crest, turns right, 5, right 5, no cut, caution, left 5, short,
Right 5,
crest, yep, left, short, over, okay,
going up straight,
into right turn, over crest, where are we, R6,
crest long left,
road, okay, right 5, road left, there we go, narrows 4, over crest 30, left 4, through junction, into right, left, right 4, crest 30, into right 5, 30, so take it easy, small crest, left 5, over crest, very long. Chicane. Right. Chicane. Right 5 in the turn. Left 3 over crest. Deceptive. Right 4 over crest into right 5, no cut, short into left 5, over crest, into right 5, short, into left 5, 70, right 5, short, into crest, into crest, left 4, this is a right 5, over crest, left 4, right 3, left 3, narrows, right, left 3.
Yep.
Right 4 long, easy. Right 4 long, turn, right 2, caution. Right 2 right here. Right 2. Into over crest. Left 1, hairpin.
Hairpin right here.
Hairpin right here. Easy. Okay, 100 to finish. Straight ahead. Keep going. Okay, right there. That's it.
Woo! What is it, the chicane?
Yeah. Start 40, left 3, right 4. Left 4 over crest. Crest into turn. Right 4 over crest. Left 5, short 100. Left 4, no cut. crest into right 5, narrows, 3 down, bumps, left 4, into right 3, into left 3, right 3, into left 3, crest, into left 4, into chicane, right 5 long downhill, left 5 long uphill, turn left 3 into R2 crest, left 3 over crest, right over crest, kinks, left 6,
Doing good,
left 6. Okay, this is the jump right here. Into left 4, no cut. Into left 5, to crest, caution, right 5, short, crest into left 3, right 5 into the left 3, right 4, into jump. Right 4, over crest, into jump, left 4, right 5, right 3, left 5 short, right 3 over crest, into right turn, into left 4, into jump, turn right 4, okay, right here, short 50, right turn, crest, caution, left 5, short over crest, slow down, okay, coming up to left, right 5, short, no cut, the left 5 over short crest, right turn, right, hang on, left here, left, woo, sweet, left 3, into, okay, I think, left 3, easy, right 3, left 4, 30, right 4, to finish. There's finish right there. Finish.
Woo!
Nice.
Woo! Let's go! I ran out of brakes on that one.
That might be it, man. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock. Oh, I gotta finish it. Sorry. Thought we were going around.
If you enjoyed that race footage, the story is way cooler. Click on this video right here. We'll take you straight there. You can hear the full story, how I got in a car, the 2008 Mazda Speed 3 that we drove in, every detail that went into the story of traveling across the country to go do this race with my dad as my co-driver. Go check it out right here. I'll see you on this video.